In today's video, we're going to talk about Ford's strategy on hybrid and electric vehicles, and how it differs from its rival, GM. Ford has recently announced that it is lowering its EV production targets for 2023, citing the high cost of EVs as a reason for the slowdown. The automaker now expects to be building 600,000 EVs a year sometime in 2024, down from its previous goal of 1 million. But while Ford is scaling back its EV ambitions, it is not giving up on electrification altogether. In fact, Ford is embracing hybrids as a key part of its product portfolio, following the footsteps of Toyota, the global leader in hybrid sales. Ford CEO Jim Farley said that the company is working on a slate of new hybrid models, which will offer more efficiency and new capabilities to customers. For example, Ford's hybrid pickups, such as the F-150 and the Maverick, feature a system called Pro Power on board, which allows users to tap the truck's electricity via outlets in the pickup bed to power tools, appliances, or even a refrigerator. Farley said that Ford has been surprised by the popularity of its hybrid systems, especially for the F-150, which has seen more than 10% of customers opting for the hybrid model. The Maverick, Ford's small pickup, has an even higher hybrid take rate, with more than half of buyers choosing the $1,500 optional hybrid powertrain over the standard 4-cylinder engine. Ford's hybrid strategy contrasts with GM's approach, which is focused on pure EVs. GM has committed to investing $35 billion in EVs and autonomous vehicles by 2025, and aims to sell only zero-emission vehicles by 2035. GM CFO Paul Jacobson said that the company expects to achieve profitability on its EVs by the middle of the decade, despite the challenges of scaling up battery production and reducing costs. So, what do you think of Ford's and GM's different paths toward the electric future? Do you prefer hybrids or pure EVs? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more auto news. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.